Hi everyone, it's Gaylin, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I'm working with a digital stamped image, and it's a digital stamp that's printed using a laser printer. And I'm going to show how to work with that and to foil with it and also add Copic coloring to it. So here's my flower stamp, and also I'm using a sentiment. So the flower is from In This Together. It's a digital image, and I am using, along with that, a stamp in rubber stamps called Sentiments for Graduation. So I'm pairing rubber stamps along with digital stamps. However, for the floral, I am printing it on a laser printer so that the ink is like a toner ink. And so I'll show how you can color. And I like to color first. You can color after, but I like to color first, especially if I'm going to foil, just so that I don't ruin any of the foiling. And so I decided to use Copic markers for this. And so since I'm not using ink on that flower, it's just toner ink, the Copics actually work pretty good. I have a Brother laser printer, and it's just, just a regular one, nothing fancy. And it printed out nicely, and it works with my Copics, which I'm real happy about. And so I go ahead and I pick the darkest color for the creases and the lines that you see in the flower. Usually it's in the center of the petals. And so there I add the darkest two tones, and then I come in with a third pink tone to just blend out those three colors together there. But I don't cover the whole petal. I'm just going about 3/4 of the way up with the pink. And I just do that for every petal. And in this case, I went around and did each color all the way around, and then I'd go to the next color all the way around. And so I started, in this case, from darkest to lightest. And now for those petal tips, I'm using yellow. I love the color of the variegated pink and yellow flowers, so I try to mimic that here. And I add a light shade of yellow first, and then I come in with a darker shade just to meet up with that pink shade a little bit. And I do the same thing for the leaves. It's just that I chose 2 colors of green for the leaves. So I outline mostly with the darker color of green, and then I come in with that lime green color, which is lighter, and to blend out those 2 colors for the leaves. And it looks real pretty in person. It looks prettier in person than it does there in the video. But so now to sandwich it between parchment paper, I put the digi-stamp image face up with the foil on top face up. And I used a carrier sheet, and I'm sliding that through my preheated laminator with the foil, with the folded side crease going in first. And so there you have it. I take it out of the parchment paper and gently peel away the foil. And so you can see there, the foil came off. And so I have this pretty floral that's so shiny and pretty. And so I am using glitter paper. I adhere that down to my side fold card base. And I am going to add double-sided foam tape. And on top of that, I use an extra tacky tape called Wonder Tape. So I put that right over that foil tape, the foam tape, just to give it an extra adhering, extra tacky adhesive. I hope you like this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like my Facebook page. Have a great day.